privilege to be a part of this company and this organization. As anyone here who's been around the Miller organization knows, we are very blessed. But just to be under Dr. A's leadership, I love the fact that we're field-led, so Dr. A is a health coach just like us. Kevin and I came to Take Shape for Life last spring. I had been a teacher in my past life and then left that behind to start a family, of which we did in full force, 3 children in 4 years, all boys. The oldest just turned 5, so you can definitely keep me in your prayers. So we just went full throttle. My husband is a police officer, he's been in the Marine Corps, and we've just loved life together, and we spent 8 years getting ready to have kids and then went fast forward. So I was doing another home-based business from home, just not ready to go back to teaching, but I was looking for something different. What I was doing at home was taking a lot of time for my effort, I guess, and the income was okay, but Kevin and I needed that extra income to provide for other things. I mean, he provided well for our family, but he worked overtime, and I worked this other business part-time, so we'd have money for extras. And so I was looking, and I met Tia Wood at church, my global director, my health coach, my friend, and she was carrying around a bag from another company, and it was a God-ordained moment, because I said, Tia, do you sell jewelry? And she said, no. Why do you ask? And then I told her I was looking, and she said, well, have you ever thought of being a health coach? And no, I knew Tia did something, but I thought she drank Kool-Aid. I didn't really know what she did. But now I drink it too, so that's okay. So anyway, long story short, Tia and I went to coffee. She explained the opportunity. It totally touched my heart because in the past I had debated between going into education or going into fitness, and this is the perfect combination of both. So I got in the nursing moms program with a new baby, lost some weight, took a break, started health coaching, went back on the 5-in-1 to experience fat burning and got even leaner. So leaner now after 3 kids than before, and in the past I had run marathons and just always been physically fit, but never as healthy probably as I am now. My husband was very supportive, but not at all interested in what I was doing other than to just support me. But we dragged him along to convention last year by the grace of God and some open doors and a lot of support from our team members. And Kevin went to 2 days of the training and said, I want to do this with you. And I gave him a psych, like, what? No, really? And it was the coolest opportunity for me, for him to not only support what I was doing, but want to come along for the ride. And we were so excited that our last day there before we flew home, we actually got up at 2 in the morning, we couldn't sleep, we went down to the hotel lobby and we worked on a roadmap. And if you're going home to 3 kids, you don't get up at 2 in the morning your last day there unless you're really excited. So that just proved how much we were on fire for what we were doing, and our business has represented that because now we've grown exponentially every month. We've brought in a ton of team members. Some of our closest friends work with us, our family members. We've got people all over the country that we have the pleasure of working with, and it's totally changed our life. You know, forget the extra income for little things. We've replaced my husband's full-time income, and so if we can do it with 3 little kids at home, a husband who works full-time, anybody can do this business. But how are we successful? Terry said it. We have followed the model. I'm not interested in making my life any more complicated, and so I just did what my leaders told me to do. If I needed correction, I still need correction, so I'm open to a lot of that, and I'm excited because we have an amazing opportunity.